but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the
aka Sister Cole. How's my beautiful family doing? I hope that you had a beautiful, wonderful day. Over here, you know what I like to do? I like to do lookbooks, hauls, product reviews, clean up, cook, give you a good word here and there, a word of encouragement. So if this is something that you would like, go ahead and hit that button right there. Okay, let's get into this. All right, you guys, let me show you my new piece. There's the new piece to the living room right there. It's so cute. I love it. That little table right there, that little end table, I got that from Marshall's yesterday. It was only 14 bucks. Yes, ma'am. And then the black jar thing, that was the last one, and I got it. And then the little white one, with the feathers coming up from it, you know, I thought that that would just look so good together, contrasted together. And so yeah, I just thought that would just see how the white is contrasted with the black. Yeah, so yes, I'm so glad. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I really got a really nice purchase. I got a nice deal. That was all right, you guys. Outfit check. Okay. This is the shirt that this is the shirt that I got from Boohoo. Yes, no, from H&M. This is the shirt I got from H&M yesterday. Okay, it's cute, and I put these on with the these are the pants that I got from, there's the ones I showed you in my previous haul, and I believe these are from Curvy Sense, and then these are the dunks that I got that came in yesterday. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. Yes, here it is from the back. Okay, cute. I was very comfortable today. I love these dunks. I think I'm gonna get them in another color. I think I'm gonna definitely get these in another color. Maybe the red and black. All right, how do you guys like it? You like? Joe Malone, Myrrh and Tonka, okay? And so I had purchased this a while ago. All right, but I find that this right here, it smells good, but the scent is it's very light. It's very light, and it's more of an intimate scent, meaning like when somebody is like really close to you or whatever, then they will smell the scent. And it's a gorgeous scent, very feminine. It's gorgeous, right? But to make this come out more, I mixed it with this Carol's Daughter Monoi, M-O-N-O-I, Monoi. I mixed these two together. Yo, when I mix this together, you know, today, I'm telling you guys, this is no joke. This is no exaggerating. I really did get some compliments on these two paired together today. So if you guys don't have these, try to go and get it. The scent, I mean, how can I say, it's spicy. When you put these to get together, it's like it's a spicy, woody, and I love that. I love the spicy, woody types of scents. Very bold, it's strong, but it's not strong like, okay, I feel sick, I want to vomit strong. It's just very bold, very spicy, and it's sexy. It's sexy, y'all. It's so good. These two paired together, it stayed on all day long. It stayed on all day long, and I could smell it. And I love when I wear scents that I can smell. Then I know that I didn't waste my money, and if I can smell it, then everybody else can smell it. I don't like spending my coins and then I can't smell the scent. No, ma'am. Absolutely not. So I love when something is bold, I can smell it. I love it because then I know everybody else can smell it. So it was like I said, I have to share it with you guys. I have to. All right, I did get some other stuff in. I got this scent in. This was Amo Ferragamo. Okay. I've never had this before. I heard somebody speaking on this, but I can't remember. I heard a content creator talking about this scent, but I can't remember exactly who it was. So I saw it, you know, and I was like, let me just try it. Let me just try it out. It wasn't even that expensive. I got it from Off Saks. I ordered it from Off Saks, but I can't remember exactly how much I paid for it right now, but it wasn't crazy expensive. Okay, here's the bottle, you guys. Very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, and again, this is the Amo Ferragamo. All right, I've never smelled it before. Oh, the bottle's beautiful. All right, if I can smell this over what I already have on, because I'll tell you what I got on today was, ooh, beautiful. This smells so nice. Oh yeah. This smells so good. Okay, sweet. This is sweet. It's a sweet smell. Feminine. As of now, when I sprayed it on, it's very bold. It's one of those. Let's see, what do they say? They say sparkling addiction, Italian bitter accord, black currant, and rosemary. So it's Italian bitter accord, black currant, and rosemary. All right. Then it also has, what is this? Jasmine, sambac, mate absolute, and rhubarb. And then it has white vanilla. And there's something to heightness, absolute, ambrox, and sandalwood. Yep, I can definitely smell, because you know what? With the vanilla scent, that I have, the vanilla scents that I have, they also have the sandalwood. So, and I can smell the sandalwood in this. See, these are my I love these spicy types of you know, bold perfumes. I love them. I love them. So yes, this was an excellent purchase for me. So far, it's definitely, I love it. I can smell the rhubarb. I can smell the sandalwood. Yes. Yes. Guys, yep. If you like a bold scent, a sweet scent, it's very feminine. This is pretty. You may want to try it. This is very pretty. Yes, I love that for me. Yeah, so yep, I got one. This was a very popular underwear that they sell on their sites, you know, and I really wanted to try it out because you know, everybody says how comfortable it is or whatever, but talk about annoyed. One pair of underwear. I mean, come on. I need to do better. I need to start paying attention You understand? I'll be halfway asleep. That's why. I'll be ordering when I'm laying down and I'm relaxed. Okay, this right here is a pair of Versace's. I ordered this off of Saks Fifth. Is that what is the name of the store? Off of Saks Fifth? Is that the name? Because girl, child, y'all, I be making up names. I do. I can't remember nothing right. I be making it up. I be making up the names as I go. Okay, so these are a pair of Versace's. This is the case. That's cute. And here they are right here. They're cute. All black. Cat eye. With the Versace symbol on the side. I was shocked. I was a little bit surprised because I thought that these frames were bigger than what they are. You know, so kind of disappointed about that because I just thought that they were bigger. I was looking for a more bigger looking cat eye, you know. But I mean, it's cute and everything, but I definitely was looking for a bigger cat eye. But here they are. You guys like them? Yeah, they still cute. They're cute. I mean, I like them. Yes, and I definitely will finesse these. I definitely will finesse these right here. Pennies. Okay, they're very basic. This right here is a long sleeve hot pink shirt with a crew neck. These are 2X. They do run pretty large, okay? But it's just very basic. And I got these because I usually buy a lot of dresses. I wear dresses, you know, and then I realized, you know, after I get my dresses and stuff, that I don't even have shirts and tops to wear with, you know, jeans and slacks. So I made sure that I went and just bought some very basic tops. And then, you know, comfort is my middle name. So even though these shirts are very comfortable looking, with the right accessories, I can really make these look nice and dressy. So this is just a red, very basic crew neck top. Again, the accessories will definitely give it a look, okay? Yeah, so definitely get yourself a couple of pieces. This is brown. Love this. A brown turtleneck. I got this just for the color. I love brown, and I love mixing. I just love mixing browns and tans and beiges and just coming up with a look. I had on something so cute the other day where I did that and I didn't film it. It was so cute how I did it. I had on different shades of brown, but it all came together. And this is a white, a cream color. Cream color. You know, you can't have too much of cream color. And this is cute on a nice cold day when it's real cold and you got on your creams, you know, and then your brown makeup. Oh, honey, it's a look. And then I got this green sweater right here, and I got this very basic sweater, nothing crazy, but I got this because of the color. So I love that for me. I love green. I don't know, this year I am just so drawn to green. I am drawn to green. So definitely, you guys, when I do these different looks, I'm you know, probably do some shorts and stuff like that so y'all can see the different looks that you know, that I'm going to be serving, that I'm going to be giving, okay? So you guys, we've come to the end of this video. Tell me what you like. Did you see anything you like? What is your favorite? Let me know what you're doing this fall. What is your look for the fall? Do you even like fall? Let us just know. Let's just have a conversation in the comments. I love that for me. I love to read all of your comments. And if you've been watching me, I answer every last one of them back, okay? So, you know, and you guys, go ahead, do not forget to like the video. Come on, like the video. Don't forget to share me out. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You know, I am trying to get monetized, okay? And when you do these things, it's going to help me. So if you love your sis and you want to support your sis, tell your friends so your friend can tell a friend, and then a friend can tell a friend, and a friend can tell a friend. Come on now. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All right? So don't forget, you guys, that you are blessed and highly favored.
Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture perfect.